Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change account on Upwork. If you're looking to change your account type on Upwork from freelancer to client, so first start by logging into your Upwork account and clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop down, go to settings, then look for the create a new account option in the left hand menu. Here you can choose to set up a client or agency account depending on your needs. Once the new account type is created, you can easily switch between profiles by clicking your profile icon and selecting the account you want to use. This setup allows you to manage multiple roles like freelancer, client, or agency without needing separate logins. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.